Alright, boys and girls, welcome to math. And in this week we're going to be learning some positional words. These are words like above, on top of, below, underneath, in the middle, left, and right. And they're words that tell us where something's at in relation to something else. And we're going to start by reading this book called I Spy. And then afterwards our activity is going to be to do a couple pages on our Stepping Stones workbook. Let's get to reading. I spy. I wonder what things I can spy when I use this big pair of eyes. I spy two dogs not far from me. One is sitting behind the tree. Now, which dog is behind the tree? Here's the tree. Is it this one or that one? That's right. This one is behind the tree. And this one is in front of the tree. I spy two grubs almost out of sight. One is eating on the right. Which one is on the right? This one or this one? That's right, this one. This one is on the left. I spy two birds at the swing. One is standing under the ring. So here's a bird, and there's the other one. Which one is under the ring? This one is above the ring, so this one right here is under the ring. I spy two spotted frogs. One is on the pile of logs. Which one is on the pile of logs? This one or this one? That's right, this one is on the pile of logs. I spy two kites in the sky. One is flying very high. So they're both in the sky, and they're both high, but which one is very high? That's right, this one is very high. I spy two kittens near the rocks. One is still inside the box. Now, which one is still inside the box? This one is outside of the box, and this one is inside the box. Very good. Alright, boys and girls, so in our activity, we're going to open our Stepping Stones book to page 49 and 51. And we're going to start by cutting out these small rectangles on this side. And you can pause the video to cut these out. And now that you've cut out the rectangles, we're going to put them, glue them on this page, and we're going to glue them so that the sentences are true. So, for instance, this one says this purple pail, this purple bucket, is just below this green soccer ball. So where's the purple pail? There it is right there. And we're going to put it just below the soccer ball. Where should we put it? Right here? No, that's on top. Right here? Now that would be just beside. Here is just below the soccer ball. Okay? And then the next one, this doll is next to the bear, teddy bear. So how do we make that true? Where do we put that? Let's get the doll here and put her where? Here? No, that's above or on top. Here? No, that's below or underneath. And here is next to. Alright, let's do one more. This sailboat is just above the teddy bear. Where will we put that? Here's the sailboat. We put it here? No, that's where the doll is going to be next to. It would be here, just above the teddy bear. So go ahead and take the other pieces to complete these other sentences, and you can have your mom or dad help you to read these and upload a picture. And thank you for joining me for math.